Stepping up to the middle of the range, the Precision 5570. This 15.6-inch model features the same Intel 12th generation 45-watt processors as the smaller 14-inch laptop. While it is slightly larger than the 14-inch Precision 5470, remember again, the thin bezels of Dell's Infinity Edge display make this feel significantly smaller than a regular 15-inch laptop, and still manages to incorporate a webcam and microphone in those tiny bezels at the top of the screen. In terms of ports, it's similar across the 5000 series, with the 5570 featuring 2 Thunderbolt, 4 USB-C ports in total, 2 on either side of the system, one of which will be used for the 130-watt USB-C power supply. It also features an SD card reader, 3.5mm audio port, and wedge lock slot. There is no space for the older style USB-A ports, however, bundled with the system is a USB-C to USB-A and a HDMI adapter. If you need more ports or wired networking, we would suggest either Dell's docking stations, which powers and provides connectivity via a single cable, or, for use on the move, the DA series of mobile adapters. So you may be wondering, other than the increased screen size, why should I choose this over the 14-inch 5470? Well, its primary differentiators, apart from the larger screen, are support for up to the NVIDIA RTX A2000 8GB graphics card, up to 64GB of user replaceable DDR5 RAM, and dual M2 SSD drives with up to 8TB of storage. With a starting weight of under 1.9kg, this is still very light despite the much larger screen, and ups the graphics capability versus the 14-inch 5470. The Precision 5000 series 15-inch models were our go-to thin and light system for many years, especially for those travelling frequently, and for many it is still a great option. However, with both smaller and larger screen options now available, there is more choice than ever.